Oh, I'm not photoing, I'm videoing. Can you just repeat that, please? You won't let us through with the horses. We have horses on, we have 2 loads of horses, you won't reverse. It's the registration number.
Yeah, but there's a car behind him with a horse box.
There's a car behind me now.
There's a bend right
We have
behind
horses. Horses.
Yeah.
We can't
So
stop
you're
far.
treating horses better than human beings?
There's a
No,
bend right
yes,
behind
because horses give us respect, you don't. You're an old fat whore.
Fat.
Yeah, you're
I'll
fat.
tell you what, mate.
You're
I'm
fat
better
whore.
fitter than you.
I'll bet you
I've
ain't.
cycled 1,000 miles this year already.
Oh, well done.
guarantee you
Well done. How come you ain't got rid of that pudding then?
It's called
Come on, I got rid of that pudding.
women's bits.
That gut ain't no women's bits. Get off. Oh shit, cunt.
Absolute fucking. Call the police, because I ain't fucking moving.
You got that leg high for a pretty fat woman, didn't you?
See? The appearances are deceiving, mate.
You're still fat.
No fat than you.
That's all appearances are. It's fat.
Muscle, mate. Muscle.